I'm going to show you how to make chicken and turmeric samosas. They can be baked in the oven or fried. Start by soaking 1 ounce of glass noodles while preparing the other ingredients. Chop a chicken breast using a knife or a food processor. Instead of chicken, you can use turkey, pork, beef, veal, or shrimp. Put them in a mixing bowl. Mince a garlic clove. Add it to the chicken. Grate a piece of ginger to get half teaspoon. Also add it to the bowl. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper, half teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix well. Let it rest while continuing the preparation. Slice 1 onion. Cut 1/3 of an ounce of cilantro in 2 sections. Drain the glass noodles and cut them into sections. For cooking the filling, in a pan heated over high heat, add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the onion and a pinch of salt. Occasionally stir for 3 minutes. The salt helps the onion release their water. Add the marinated chicken. Occasionally stir for 2 minutes, separating the chicken pieces. To make samosas, the filling needs to be cooked because the phyllo dough is thin and it cooks and browns quickly. Turn to medium heat and add the glass noodles, 2.5 ounces of frozen peas, and 4 tablespoons of water. Occasionally stir for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Finally add the cilantro, briefly stir, and then turn off the heat. Transfer the filling to the plate to let it cool. Use some phyllo dough to make the samosas. Here I have sheets of 12 inches diameter. Cut them in half. To make a samosa, fold half a sheet into 3 to get a strip that is about 2.4 inches wide. A knife helps keep the strip folded. On one end, place 2 teaspoons of filling. Start enclosing the filling by making a diagonal fold. Then continue folding the triangle several times. With each fold, press a bit on the 2 base angles of the triangle, giving the samosa a nice shape. In the end, tuck the remaining strip into the samosa to seal it like an envelope. The more layers of pastry, the crispier the samosas will be. For the fried samosas, in a pan, heat about half an inch of vegetable oil over medium heat. Check the temperature with a wooden stick. If you can see bubbles forming around the tip of the stick, the oil is hot enough. Fry the samosas for 3 minutes. Flip them and fry for about 3 more minutes. Take them out and place them on the rack. For the samosas making in the oven, brush the phyllo dough with olive oil. This will make all layers of phyllo pastry crispy. At first, it might seem like a samosa won't hold all the filling inside, but as you keep folding, it works out. In a baking dish, brush the surface of samosas again. Place them in the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 17 minutes. Take them out. They are nicely golden on both sides.
Tu préfères friture?
Ouais.
Alors, je goûte ça.
Et toi?
Both oven baked and fried samosas are very crispy. My daughters prefer the fried version, but you can enjoy them more frequently by making the baked version. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgane Recipes.